everyone, this is Zelda from TNZ RV Life, and I am sharing my Keto and Intermittent Fasting here, and I am on week 5. So week 5, and I decided to start on a Sunday and end on a Saturday. It was easier than starting in the middle of the month. So this is what I lost. Yes, I am 0.2 of a pound away from losing 20 pounds. So this week I lost 3.4. Yeah. And I am so excited. I ate pretty much about the same. I'll show my foods at the end, and I'll also show my blood glucoses. They're running anywhere between 90s and 100s, and that the hundreds are usually after I've eaten. So it's pretty stable. I'm waiting for it to drop though, because it's still a little bit too high. I think in the afternoon they'll drop in the lower 90s. So I'm happy with that. My ketone levels have been 4.0 to anything, 4.9. I added, I'm not sure if I said this already, I went back to eating 2 meals a day and keeping my eating window 5 hours. So that is working for me to get enough calories in, because I wasn't getting enough calories in, I think, and my ketone level was way too high, and that was like more starvation mode, and I didn't want to do that. So I've added an extra meal and I'm losing weight. So it's not a big meal. It's just something a little bit like I have like a bigger lunch and then like a smaller dinner, and that works. So I still have my coffee. Yeah. It's not the, what is that called? Bulletproof coffee. I think that's made with butter. I'm not really sure, but I actually put some MCT oil in it this time because I needed a little bit more fat in my day, and I ran out of my fat bombs. I'm going to make the chocolate cheesecake fat bombs, and I'll show you what they look like after I do it. I saw it on someone's blog. I'm looking forward to it though. So I just wanted to share that with you. I'm feeling good. My energy level is very good. I know when it's about time to eat, because I get the little hunger feeling, but I'll stick to the 2 meals a day, and then maybe add one OMAD, 1 meal a day, in during the week, and see how that goes. So that's it for now. I'll see you on another video. Bye. One thing I forgot to mention was my keto oatmeal. This was so satisfying. I know there's tons of recipes out there, but I'm going to show you how I make mine on a video coming up soon. It was satisfying, it was filling, and it helped with the elimination, which is very, very important. Oh, and another reason, not only I loved it, but Amaya loved it too. So we get thumbs up from a 2-year-old. Did you hit the like button? You did? Awesome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button too. Bye. Hey everyone. No. Hi everyone. Oh, did I mention what I ate? I think I did. Oh, okay. Thanks for watching.